If you couldn't already tell, I like Editor X. And if you haven't tried it yet, here are 20 reasons you should. This one may be obvious to most of you, but with Editor X, you can create responsive designs that look great on any device, giving your clients a seamless user experience. Creating responsive sites in Editor X really feels a lot like you're designing in Figma, which has an intuitive drag-and-drop style UX. Editor X's advanced drag-and-drop system allows you to create complex designs without having to write a single line of code, saving you time and effort for designers and agencies who like saving time and effort. But just because Editor X is primarily a no-code web creation platform, that doesn't mean you're not allowed to code. In fact, with Velo Dev Mode, technical designers and developers and coders can leverage the full power of JavaScript and Node.js to add custom functionality, features, and interactions to their site, and even create super complex web applications. Totally up to you. This means that freelancers and agencies with coding experience can take their designs to the next level while still being able to take advantage of all the amazing features of the Editor X platform. Amazing features like the code-free CMS, which is a game changer for designers and agencies building websites for clients. Designers can easily create, manage, and update content collections without ever having to touch the site's design. This not only saves you time and effort, but it also gives your clients the ability to add and update content themselves without ever having to worry about breaking anything. Plus, with the flexibility of the code-free CMS, you can easily create custom templates for your clients' unique needs. Because, let's face it, our clients are unique, and they can be from anywhere in the world, which is why Editor X enables you to automatically or manually, if you wish, translate any of your sites into over 180 languages without affecting the original design, making it easier for clients to reach their global audience. According to Internet World Stats, 25.9% of the internet-connected world speaks English, which means approximately 75% of folks browsing the web and shopping aren't able to read and therefore buy your stuff online. Imagine being able to expand that and offer an online shopping experience to a truly global audience, which is exactly what you can do with Editor X's leading e-commerce infrastructure. This enables designers to build fully branded, robust online stores with things that you'd come to expect, like quick checkout, competitive shipping rates, custom tax groups, multiple payment solutions, even gift card options. Now, this is huge if you or your clients sell products, whether physical or digital, online. And if your clients are service-based businesses like hair salons, massage therapists, dog groomers, personal trainers, and coaches, in addition to selling their services online, they're going to need to be able to book their clients online as well, which is where online scheduling comes in handy. Now, there are lots of tools that do this, like Acuity Scheduling, Calendly, You Can Book Me. These exist to manage online scheduling in an easy, automated way. But with Editor X, you can keep everything under one dashboard, setting up online scheduling systems so that your clients can accept bookings and payments, offer classes, manage staff calendars right on their site without having to go to some third-party tool. Now, what happens though when your clients' customers have questions or they need immediate support? Editor X allows you to add live chat to any site, so your clients can instantly get in touch with customers, close deals, resolve issues fast. A streamlined process like this is what makes an online-powered business so powerful. And that's why we should streamline more than just live chat. In fact, with automations, you can set up and manage triggered responses to site actions so that you can automatically collect leads, manage your client workflow, lead management, email autoresponders, heck, even invoice reminders right within your site dashboard. And that dashboard, by the way, is truly an unspoken hero. because it's a workhorse that can run so much of your design business with features like workflows, which lets you stay on top of your projects and sale funnels right within EditorX's organized, super intuitive Kanban style user experience. You can seamlessly collaborate with your team, visualize your workflow at a glance, and enjoy a familiar interface. If you've used tools like Trello or Notion's Board View, this is going to be very familiar to you. Now, the best part? Workflows are integrated directly in your dashboard. This reduces the need for other outside tools, third-party software, simplifying your tech stack. So say bye-bye to unnecessary third-party subscriptions and hello to streamlined project management. And with tasks and reminders, you'll never forget about which unnecessary subscriptions you should cancel when you switch to EditorX. In addition to that, you can easily collaborate with your team by assigning tasks, setting due dates, checking off tasks when they're done, making team management a breeze for freelancers and creative agencies alike. The built-in functionality eliminates the need for third-party task management tools, to-do apps, and reminder apps. You can keep everything in one place, right within your EditorX dashboard, simplifying your tech stack, saving you money. Check out this video with Art West of No Code Devs on how he saved nearly $700 per month by using only EditorX and the apps that connect with EditorX. Also, you can watch this tutorial by Art West on how to create a membership website using, again, only EditorX. Because with the members area feature of EditorX, you can create community-driven websites, just like Art shows in that video. By creating a community around your client's site, you can boost customer engagement and strengthen their brand. You can create exclusive gated member content for paying members. Now, this adds exclusivity and extra value to your client's site. By easily managing all of your client's site members, now you can offer ongoing community management and support services as a part of your offerings in your business, which can become a really valuable revenue stream for your business as a freelancer or creative agency. With all these new services that you're going to be able to offer your clients, you're going to need a much easier way to send all those quotes and invoices. With EditorX, you can create and send branded pricing offers and invoices, negotiate rates, keep track of payments, and send automatic reminders when a payment is overdue, making payment management easier for freelancers and creative agencies like you. It's baked right into, yes, you guessed it, your dashboard, and it helps reduce complexity, create reliability. The type of reliability you'll come to expect with EditorX's secure and reliable platform for building websites, ensuring that your client's data is safe and their data and their sites is always available. With 24/7 monitoring and support, you can trust that your clients' websites will be up and running smoothly. And if you or your clients ever have an issue or you need a question answered quickly, EditorX's team offers excellent customer support, with a dedicated team of experts available to help you with any questions or issues you or your clients may have, providing peace of mind for solo freelancers and team-based agencies alike. And as the old saying goes, there's no I in team, which is why you can set up a team account, give teammates access to every site in your team account, and assign roles and permissions to every person on your team for a customized editing experience. Because, let's be honest, most great sites are collaborative efforts. And so, with the advanced real-time collaboration feature, you can streamline the creation process and keep your team aligned, allowing you to create together on the same page, section, or element. And hey, look, everybody on the team has their own strengths to make up for another team member's weakness. That's what makes for a great team, right? Whether your team is just a bunch of folks within an agency, or maybe it's just you and your client. Sometimes you have that teammate who needs a few, safeguards in place so they don't accidentally make the logo bigger or break your code by accident? You're in luck. Editor X enables you to customize roles for every teammate, collaborator, and client, allowing you to enable and disable specific actions for each person and assign multiple roles per teammate. That'll keep your masterpiece from being manhandled, hopefully. Sometimes those safeguards make all the difference in keeping your work consistent, even when your team is comprised of a bunch of colorful personalities of all vector shapes and font sizes. Sorry, my mind got away from me there. I was just thinking about how complex websites can get, what with all the different elements, colors, graphics, typography, design systems, and how Editor X allows you to create custom design libraries for every project, share them with your team, and reuse them for future projects, saving you a ton of time and effort. Now, going to be honest here, I worked really hard to make the segues between each of these last 19 points undetectable, merely a transitional thread covertly woven betwixt one another. But for the life of me, I couldn't figure out how to tie in this next and final point. It's like I ran out of creative juice. I even shared my script with ChatGPT, asking it to analyze my segues, which, by the way, it seemed to fully understand the assignment, but when I asked it to seamlessly tie in my 19th point with my 20th point, it just wasn't up for the task. It forced me to go the old-fashioned route and read some literary blogs, all about segues, transitions, and connecting ideas in creative writing. Did you catch that? Blogs. Blogs. Editor X offers a blogging platform that enables you or your clients to add a blog to any site, boosting SEO, building credibility, and growing an online community, and allowing crappy creative writers like me to read, yes, the old-fashioned way, about how to curtail my crappy creative content creations. Alliteration for the win. And these are just 20 reasons I think you'll love Editor X. If you want to learn how to run your creative business and build your client sites using Editor X, consider joining my free 33-lesson online course, Editor X 101. You'll master the fundamentals of responsive web design and build a complete site using Editor X. The link to join is down below, and I'll see you there.